Let me tell you about Marcus. He grew up in a small apartment in a rough neighborhood. But today, he's a millionaire. He didn't win the lottery. He didn't inherit a dime. He didn't have a high-paying job. He just made one decision. Marcus lived in a cramped apartment with his mother and two brothers. His mother worked double shifts as a nurse's aide. His father left when he was 5. There was never enough money. He wore hand-me-down clothes that never quite fit. He ate free lunch at school because that was the only meal he could count on. He slept on a mattress on the floor. He knew what poverty felt like. He knew the knot in his stomach when the electricity bill came. He knew the shame of having to say no to school trips because there was no money. He knew the weight of being different, of being the kid who could not afford what everyone else could. He promised himself something. He promised himself he would never be poor again. He promised himself he would escape. But life had other plans. Marcus dropped out of high school at 17 to help support his family. He worked at a gas station. He worked at a warehouse. He worked construction. He worked any job that would take him. He earned minimum wage. He lived paycheck to paycheck. He was stuck. He was running in place. He was doing everything right and getting nowhere. 2 men grew up in the same neighborhood. One died broke. The other retired a millionaire. The difference wasn't money. It was a single habit. Then, one day, Marcus had a moment that changed everything. He was 24 years old. He was working 60 hours a week between 2 jobs. He was exhausted. He was broke. He looked at his bank account and saw $47. He looked at his life and saw no way out. He felt defeated. He felt like he had failed. He felt like the promise he made to himself as a kid was a lie. He felt like he would never escape. He sat on the curb outside his apartment and cried. He cried for the first time in years. He cried because he was tired. He cried because he was ashamed. He cried because he felt so alone. Then something shifted. Something clicked. He looked at the building he lived in. He looked at the neighborhood. He looked at his life. And he made a decision. A real decision. Not a wish, not a hope, a decision. He decided that he would not stay here. He decided that he would find a way out. He decided that he would learn something. He decided that he would become someone different. He did not know how. He did not have a plan. But he had a decision. If this story resonates with you, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We share stories like this every week that can transform your financial life. Hit that subscribe button now. Marcus started reading. He read anything he could get his hands on. Books from the library, articles online, anything about money, anything about success, anything about escaping poverty. He learned about compound interest. He learned about investing. He learned about side hustles. He learned that wealth was not about how much you made. It was about how much you kept and how you grew it. He started small. He started saving $20 a week. It was nothing. It felt pointless, but he kept going. He opened a savings account. He put his $20 in every week. He did not touch it. He watched it grow. It was slow. It was boring. It was not exciting, but it was something. He also started learning skills. He taught himself how to code. He spent hours at the public library on their computers. He took free online courses. He practiced every single night after his shift at the warehouse. He was exhausted. He was tired. But he kept going. He knew that this was his way out. He knew that skills were the only thing that could change his life. It took 2 years. 2 years of working 60-hour weeks and studying every night. 2 years of saving $20 a week. 2 years of feeling like nothing was changing. 2 years of wanting to give up. Most people quit here. Marcus didn't. Then he got a break. He got a job as a junior developer. It was not a huge salary. It was $45,000 a year, but it was more than he had ever made. It was a start. It was a step forward. Marcus kept his old habits. He kept living like he was still making minimum wage. He kept saving. He kept investing. He kept learning. He did not upgrade his lifestyle. He did not buy a new car. He did not move to a nicer apartment. He stayed in his small place. He drove his old car. He cooked his own meals. He saved the difference between his old income and his new one. He also kept learning. He got better at coding. He got promoted. He got raises. He jumped to another company. His income went up, but his lifestyle stayed the same. He was saving 50% of his income. He was investing it all. He was building a machine that would eventually set him free. He also started a side hustle. He built websites for small businesses. He charged $500 for a simple site. He did one a month. That was an extra $6,000 a year. He invested it all. He started another side hustle. He took what he knew and turned it into simple tools he could sell while he slept. Digital products, templates, courses. He built passive income streams. He watched his money grow. 10 years passed. Marcus was 34. He had over $300,000 saved and invested. He had a good job making $90,000 a year. He had side hustles bringing in another $20,000. His net worth was climbing. He was not rich yet, but he was on his way. He was building freedom. Then he made a bold move. He took a year off. He traveled through South America. He lived cheaply. He worked on his side hustles from his laptop. He experienced life in a way he never thought possible. He came back refreshed. He came back with a new perspective. He came back ready to build more. He started his own consulting business. He helped companies with their software. He charged $150 an hour. He worked from home. He set his own hours. He earned more than he ever had. He saved more than he ever had. He invested more than he ever had. His net worth grew faster than he could have imagined. Another 5 years passed. Marcus was 39. He had a net worth of over $1.2 million. He had no debt. He had investments. He had passive income. He had freedom. He was a millionaire, not because he inherited money, not because he got lucky, not because he had a huge salary, because he made a decision, because he learned, because he saved, because he invested, because he never gave up. He was the millionaire next door. He drove a used car. He lived in a modest home. He wore jeans and t-shirts. He looked ordinary. He was extraordinary. He had built wealth from nothing. He had escaped poverty. He had fulfilled the promise he made to himself as a kid. If this story inspires you, please like and subscribe to our channel. We share stories like this every week. Now, let me tell you about Derek. Derek grew up in a similar neighborhood. He had similar struggles. He worked similar jobs. But Derek made different choices. When he got a raise, he bought a nicer car. When he got a promotion, he moved to a nicer apartment. When he got a better job, he upgraded his lifestyle. He spent every dollar he made. He had nothing saved. He had nothing invested. He was earning more than Marcus, but he was broke. He saw Marcus's transformation. He thought Marcus was lucky. He thought Marcus had help. He could not imagine that Marcus had just made different choices. He could not imagine that the small, boring, invisible decisions every single day had made all the difference. 20 years later, Marcus was a millionaire. He had retired at 42. He was traveling. He was volunteering. He was spending time with his family. He was free. Derek was still working, stressed, in debt. exhausted, trapped. He had nothing to show for 2 decades of work, except a closet full of clothes and a car worth less than he owed. Derek looked at Marcus and wondered what his secret was. He could not imagine that Marcus had just saved consistently. He could not imagine that Marcus had just invested patiently. He could not imagine that the small choices every day had made all the difference. But that is the truth. Marcus started with $20 a week. He started with nothing. He built wealth from scratch. He built freedom from poverty. He built a life from a promise. You do not have to be perfect. You do not have to start with a lot. You just have to start. You just have to make a decision. You just have to keep going, even when it is hard, even when you are tired, even when you feel like giving up, especially then. Marcus did not become a millionaire overnight. It took 20 years. It took discipline. It took sacrifice. It took patience. It took consistency. It took small, boring, invisible choices every single day. You can do the same. You do not need a huge salary. You do not need a lucky break. You just need a plan. You just need to start. Save $20 a week. Save $50 a week. Save whatever you can. Invest it consistently. Let compound interest do its work. Stay patient. Stay disciplined. Stay focused. If this story changed how you think about money, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel right now. We post new videos every week that challenge you, inspire you, and give you the tools you need to build a better financial future. Click that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, remember, wealth is not about where you start. It is about the choices you make. Start today. Your future self will thank you.